My name is Miguel Hugo Casas. I am the supervisor here for materials and inspection at Freeform. What I'm responsible for is all the materials testing that we do in-house and the inspection that we also do in-house. Just like you would go to the doctor and they take an x-ray of your body, we can do that with metal. And a lot of these that are going as a part of engines or, are going into space in some cases, you want to make sure that your material is good, not just both in the looks aspects or aesthetics, but both in the DNA, kind of what we did all of here. We're looking at inside of the part to make sure that everything is both sound and form as far as quality, properties. We want to make sure everything is good. And so our customers have confidence in us that we know, A, what we're doing, but that we're giving them a part and that the part is good. I work at Freeform because I like challenges and I like to be involved in the minutiae of everything. I want to know something from the start to the end. And part of being in a startup is you're allowed to experience that.